I love this hair. Like, I love it. I love this hair. Hmm. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Mo, and I'm back today with another hair video, a hair tutorial that is. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do spring twists. I am excited because I've never done spring twist before. I've done passion twist but never spring twist. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I get this done. Now, I'm gonna put you on to this hair store, by the way. It's on Amazon. I'll definitely put the link in the description down below. And we're gonna see the quality of this hair because I know I'm excited. So these are the hair. Came in a box from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you the hair that we're working with. As I said, this is spring twist, and this is the this is 8-inch, by the way. So I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so this is one of the bundles. Hold on. Them ear look nice, man. Nah lie. Look at this. You see that? You see that? Yes, this really look nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be using the elastic method, by the way. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to put all the elastics in my hair right now. I'm wondering if I should do it row by row like I normally do, because I normally like to see, you know, everything neat at one time when I'm finished. So I don't know what I'm gonna do as yet, but stay tuned for that. All right, guys, don't forget to press that subscribe button, to like this video, comment, tell me what you think about my hair, hello, and all the information that you'd like. If I did mention it in this video, don't be afraid to ask me in the comment section, and let's get this hair video on the road. All right, so I'm not gonna bore you with me parting my hair because I don't know how I part my hair already and things. So soon come, 2 seconds. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and I elastic all of the hair up, and I make sure I leave out my edges this time because people, the last time I did my hair, I'm trying to remember the fox thing that I had in. I was pulling on my hair too tight. I mean, I tell you, it's like my edges been disappearing since, and I cannot afford for that to happen. So I left my edges out this time. So what I'm gonna do now is to start putting in the hair. And this shouldn't take long because, as you see, the hardest part was to part it up and thing. And remember, you see how I part them neat and clean. As I said, don't worry about the piece of glass, it do it job. Alright.
I come to talk about the mirror you right there. So this, you see this? You can find it in most Jamaicans' household. When I ask Christ, you see, if you don't have one of them mirror, use either uptone and one of them up with the people. Basically, this right there, so this will conquer you. This is the revealer. Because the piece of mirror right there, so it shows some things.
Right? So use your mirror and it help me to guide me to see what is happening around the back, so it don't look chaka chaka. You know that word there? Chaka chaka. So I'm gonna do this now. So I'm gonna, this is like one strand after I fluff it out, but I decided to use 2 strands because I want it to be super fluffy. So I'm gonna be using 2 strands, and this is how I go about it. I use my finger and I run it through the hair just so I can have that smooth twist when I'm twisting it. So see, I just use one hand and pull the hair apart and just use my hand to scatter it so it's fluffy. right? And I'm gonna be using my crochet needle to insert the hair, and you guys already know that, so let's go. So I'm gonna put these two together. I want it to be fluffy, y'all, so I'm gonna put it in like so. You don't know the technique already. You make sure the needle is like this, it's open, and you put it in. Let me see if I can show you guys an up close one. Put it in here, then you ensure that you hold this part of the hair like this so it can fit in the crochet tool properly. You fit it onto the tool and then you latch this part over like this, then you pull it through. Just pull it through. And you don't want the elastic to move, so you're just going to go ahead and draw the elastic tight over it. Yes. And I like to put gel on my fingers so it can just easily slide. So let's see how this turns out. Woo. And that's it. This is like 8-inch and it's love this. Guys, let me just tell you something. This hair is just simply amazing. Like when I say amazing, I mean really amazing. Like look at it. The twist itself is so tight. I think I'm noticing the difference between spring twist and passion twist. The passion twist give a more loose look, but you see the spring twist, if you realize the difference with this, I'm gonna put up the passion twist that I did before right here to show you the difference. So the actual twist itself is looking a bit tighter, but it gives the same thing because it's like I'm hardly feeling anything on my head, so it's really light. I'm gonna put this link in the description down below, guys. This here, awesome. I'm definitely gonna leave the link in the description below, so just watch me continue to put them in there. Okay guys, so I am going to show you guys how I get the hair in, just in case you missed it. So here we go. I insert the crochet needle in to my hair, and then I'm going to put onto the needle the hair that I'm going to twist, pull it through, right? Okay, then I'm going to ensure that it is equal on both sides so I don't have to be borrowing while twisting. And I'm now going to add gel to my natural hair. As you can see, my hair is permed or creamed, as you'll see. Add the gel to it because I don't want it to be sticking out through the twist. If you have a natural hair, you won't have to use as much gel. Guys, I'm done. Finito. Finish. Okay, so as you can see, I'm finished now, but guess what? I don't know if you're seeing these fringes at the end. That's where the scissors comes in. So I'm going to just go through and clip off the long ends that don't make any sense, that make it look raggedy, so it can look neat. So I'm just going through with a scissors, clipping the ends that are fringing, like this. Right here, go through, cut it off with the scissors. So if you realize it's not like this side, see these unnecessary ones, taking those off with the scissors. Yes. Okay. And I'm now going to add some accessories to it, because you know the accessories is what gives it the pop. So I'm gonna add some accessories to it. So I have these little gold things that I'm gonna add to it. You know, these put on, you have to open them. And just place them anywhere under here. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I went ahead and put on some accessories as usual. Hello, yes. But I really recommend this here, and I really recommend that you guys buy it if you want to achieve this look. The spring twist, yes. The pack comes with like 6 in it, and it comes with a crochet needle as well as some clips as well as accessories to put on it. But I didn't use the accessories because they were like different colors, but that's okay. But the link will be in my description down below. And guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.